In this large wooden box, or crate, or whatever you want to call it, I received a product that I backed on Kickstarter in October of last year. Now, this very large box weighed in at around 120 pounds, or 54 kilos. It was incredibly difficult to get inside as it was dropped off and left in my garage, which meant I had to lift it up about 3 feet to get it in the house. Now, I do have to give Elegoo credit. They wanted to make sure that it wouldn't get damaged in transit, and this crate definitely succeeded there, as it was quite difficult to get into. After almost a year of waiting, I received my Elegoo Jupiter resin printer, and I cannot even begin to explain how excited I was to finally get it. I've been wanting a resin printer for a few years now, and when I saw that Elegoo was releasing such a behemoth of a printer for under $1,000, when backed on Kickstarter, I couldn't help myself. I've been using it for about a month and a half as of this voiceover, and I absolutely love it. It prints beautifully, very easy to use, amazingly huge print volume, and moderately easy to maintain so far. I will say though, resin printers, super messy. My god, are they messy. I also had to buy a few more things to finish my prints and had to find a way to effectively ventilate it since it sits in my office. The carbon filter that comes with it doesn't do a whole lot, sadly. The cabin doesn't have enough negative pressure to contain the fumes of the resin. My first few days with it, I actually had to keep my office door closed with a towel underneath at the bottom of the door and left a window open in there just to not fume out the whole house. I then had to build a print washing station and bought a UV curing station, though I will build my own later as it's not quite big enough. Oh, that's huge. Sit back. Okay. Down there. A little low. Ho ho! Sorry. We have foam. And everything that's inside of it. Toolbox with a bunch of stuff. Filter. Release film liner. And the bed. And everything. Okay, well. I have no idea how to use this thing. Gloves. USB. Scraper. Snips. More snips. Face masks. Wrenches. Screws or something. Shoot about code. Gigantic power brick. Allen key. And one filter. Okay. Wow, that is gigantic. we have to find a spot for this. And honestly, I don't got one.